Hi, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial will teach you step by step how to calculate age with a simple Excel formula. Let me go to new sheet. So in this sheet, as you can see, I need to calculate age with respect to date of birth. So for that, I'll apply a formula is equal to dated if bracket open. I will set the date of birth, comma, today, bracket open, bracket close, again comma, and then in the inverted columns I will write capital Y. Now capital Y is for the year. When you press enter, you will find the age over here. Now when you just double click over here, you will find the age of the entire column. Now in the similar manner, if you want to calculate age in terms of days, for that what you need to do is you have to just replace this Y with capital D. So what I'll do is I will simply apply the formula over here, and then over here I'll change this Y to capital D. Now can you see it has calculated number of days. Double click, your work is done. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.